I'm Michelle, and I just purchased an NX 300 at Metro Lexus. I only came into the dealership twice, once to look at the car and once to pick it up. Everything else was done at home. It was wonderful. I sat at my kitchen table with a cup of coffee and we went through everything. I read everything. A lot of it had been explained though from my salesperson prior. So I just reread it and looked through it, and anything I had questions about, it was answered, completely answered. And then I got to sign online. And then we flipped to the next page and we talked about warranties, we talked about the process, and I did some financing, so we talked about the financing through there. It was really easy. And I remember going to buy cars before, and you spend a half a day. I remember one Saturday morning I had little kids with me, and we had spent half a day in the dealership signing papers and doing this. Then we'd wait a while and somebody had to go do something and check out something, and then they came back, and it just seemed like a long process. And online was so easy. I would tell anyone, just please, save time, stay at home, get a cup of coffee, and I think one cup of coffee and I was done.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.